Yeah. It's the boy KG, and I'm back today with another video. You see me I say? Today I'm bringing to you and Chang back. You see me I say? AKA Irish Mash. You see? None other YAADIE style. You see me I say? So today I have a little assistant with me. You see? Nashi. She over that side there. She gonna show you the main ingredients then. So let's get her on my track. You see me I say? Yeah, nutriment.
I know we got some milk.
Yeah, that's the Betty milk. You see, it's sweet now.
Now we got the
Main ingredients. You see, that's an Irish.
Irish mash.
Yeah. You see.
That's
Can't if you peanut enough, you know, peanut thing up.
and we have some plantain.
Plantain, you see me I say? With some iron, so the juice will go sick, you see me? So just catch you in the video as we per along, you see it? Yeah, so guys, after you finish washing your Irish mash, you want to make sure it's all clean and all that, all looking good. Make sure your water in the pot is boiling. So as you can see, right now, it's boiling. So I'm going to go ahead and actually put it in. Yeah, so guys, after you put it in the pot, you want to make sure you cover it. But right now, we did all that already. So our 10 minutes already up, as you can see. Looks pretty softer than what it looked like before. So we're gonna turn it off. Yeah, then we're putting that blender and add the other ingredients then. So now she can put in the other ingredients then. So yeah, putting the peanut right now. Let's serve nutriment.
All of it?
Yeah, all of it. That's it. No, mix for that. So now we're going to do our plantain. I'm gonna cut it open. Just peel it, make sure you get out of the skin. Put it in also. Now we're gonna get our Irish mash on the pot. So I'm just gonna go ahead, take it out of the pot, put it in the plate or whatever you got, container. Try to get like everything under the pot. Let's see, okay guys, I'm pouring in the blender. I'll put it in the blender. Yeah, make sure you get everything out there. As you can see, there's nothing there. It's all done. Now we're going to add a little bit of water. Actually, we're going to use warm water. Same water you use to boil it, you're going to throw it in the blender. Make sure it's a little bit cool though.
If you guys want it, we're doing it, but if you guys want to use cold water, you can.
Yeah, if you guys want to use cold water, you can also. So go ahead.
But we are using water.
Go ahead and actually, you're going to press it. You can press it.
Water.
So yeah guys, after you finish blending, go ahead, put it in the pot, make sure it's still boiling. Turn it back on, make sure it's boiling. Go ahead and pour it in. As you can see the texture, it's pretty thick. So pour it right in. Then we're gonna give it like another 5 minutes, let it boil. Turn it back up to high. Go ahead and cover it. Let it boil for another 5-10 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead and check it, see how it's looking, and yeah, catch me there. Yeah guys, as you can see, after your 10 minutes, you can put in your sweetener and your spices, which I already did mine. I added the sweetening, condensed milk, the Betty. And I put some cinnamon leaf, like 3, depending on how much you want, how spicy you want it. And I added a little bit of nutmeg. You can see, add some nutmeg. You want to stir it, make sure it's not burning. You see it? That's how it looks. Look pretty. Not to say look pretty. So yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more. A little bit more nutmeg. Yeah, got stuff. Yeah. Go ahead and stir. Stir, stir, stir. When you add your sweetener, you can add it to like, I don't know what you like it, sweet or not too sweet. You know, some people like it sweet. I like mine like, you know, it's right there. Not too sweet, not too fresh. I don't like it. So yeah, that's all done right now. So again, I added the sweet milk, condensed milk, cinnamon leaf, and the nutmeg. And you can add a dragon if you want, or Guinness, but I'm just doing it naturally, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So I got my jug, my strainer, because there might be some excess, like Irish one in here. I'm gonna put these in here. Got a person. You can hold it. Okay, go on that side. Yeah, you should turn still off. So you guys, as you can see, that's what it looks like. Not too thick, not too watery, just the right texture. So I'm gonna go ahead. So yeah guys, strain it, get all that excess Irish mush out there. Yeah, I know I'm choking. Yep, so as you can see right now, we're pretty much done. So that's all the excess Irish mush. You see that? So guys, we're at the finishing. I'm gonna have my girl Nashi pour it out and I'm gonna taste it. So okay, Nashi, pour me a drink, my damn. Go ahead and pour me a drink. Not too much, just enough to taste and let you guys know what it's like. This is what you give me? You see guys, that's what you give me to taste. So I just gotta taste it. Got no choice. So yeah guys, it's pretty dope right now. I'm like loving it right now. So yeah, Irish mush, strong buck, as the man say. Now she got anything to say?
Yeah. Hey guys, like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
comment.
Leave a comment
To get
to get more
more videos.
videos. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, it's your boy KG and who?
Nash.
Nash. You hear that? Yeah, do the dash.